Hello, good morning to you. It's me again, Spiller the IT Headhunter, with my regular video blog about the available IT positions at KBC Global Services. I've made this short clip for you at my favorite place in Balatonfüred at the boat station in Spitz Bistro Bar, where I am having a nice coffee at the moment. And yes, I'm seeking Windows system engineers at the moment, and I'm sorry, I will have to use a script again because the job description is quite long and complex, and I'd like to be precise and accurate. So at the moment I'm seeking a Windows system engineer for a team building and creating different blocks for the installation of Windows machines. Within the so-called HPC team, you will work as a Windows system engineer with a primary focus on maintenance management, expansion and onboarding of the Windows framework built at the KBC Group. As for the responsibilities of the team, it is design, build and promote the Windows framework for the rest of the organization next to the other tools of the HPC platform. They also follow up the market trends about security tools, security recommendations, they minimize the operational risk, they deal with problem solving, capture the needs of our internal customers, reflect the findings to our domains, and finally they implement and maintain the Windows environment at KBC. And as for your job, this is about performing maintenance and system upgrades, including service packs, patches, hotfixes and security configurations. You will also have to monitor performance and ensure system availability and reliability. You monitor system resource utilization, trending and capacity planning. You work within an established configuration and change management policies to ensure awareness, approval and success of changes. And you select and implement management tools, policies and procedures in conjunction with the company's security team. You also interact with vendors and other IT personnel to solve the problems. You configure and install different devices and services. So these are typical system engineering activities such as preparation, design, build, testing, installation, run, incident and problem handling of technological systems, products, services and other system related infrastructure activities. And so this was your job, and what we expect from you is Windows system engineering skills. You need to have strong problem solving skills in a Windows environment, good knowledge of device management technologies with a view to integration, configuration and maintenance. And you need to have knowledge of different modern endpoint platforms, for example Azure, Intune, SCCM, GPO management, virtualization technologies. Solid understanding of security and networking implementation and best practices is also needed for the job. You need to have experience in scripting and automation. To be more specific, experience in scripting is a must and automation is key. Therefore, you need to have PowerShell, Python and Ansible skills. We also require excellent analytical and troubleshooting skills. And strong English is necessary for the job. You will have to work in different projects. You need to have strict attention to details, quality and security. Well, eager to learn attitude is also necessary for the job, and you will have to provide 24/7 on-call duty as well. So these were the requirements. So if you are interested in the job and if you think that you fulfill the requirements, then please apply. Thank you and goodbye.